ever look at my neighbour, if you ever wake up and think, I'm going to go and vacuum my roof, you are officially cooked. This guy is about as cooked can get. Oh, you missed a spot there, Gerald. If you ever do this, if you wake up and vacuum your roof, you're officially cooked. You're deep fried. Your brain is pan-seared and finished in the oven at 180 degrees. What are you doing, Gerald? They're looking at him. I'm thinking, what the fuck? Oh, Gerald, the sky. I'll tell you. No, it's probably quite sad, people. Gerald might have a drinking problem. Or maybe it's more than just living that I smelled when I walked past his house. Oh, you've got to be joking me. This has got to be the strangest neighbour. Oh, shit.